You know those commercials where 4 out of 5 dentists agree on something? Well, we couldn't get that many dentists for this next segment, but we did find 2 great ones. Check it out.
As you may be able to guess, we're dentists. And a lot of people ask us one question in particular. What's happening to my teeth when I whiten them? Guess what? It's
Magic.
Science. Hi, I'm Dr. Alisha. And I'm her twin. I'm Dr. Natasha. Welcome to Teeth Talk. Let's be clear, you don't need to whiten your teeth for them to be healthy. Teeth are supposed to have natural shades of white, yellow, and even gray. If you have rainbow teeth, though, you may be cursed by a witch. Sometimes people want to brighten their smile. So how does science make that happen? Great question. There's chemistry, biology, and even color theory involved. Let's talk a bit about stains. Not all the stains on your teeth are the same. There are 2 main types, extrinsic and intrinsic. We love when things come in pairs. Right, Natasha? Extrinsic stains are on the outside of the tooth, and they're caused by things we put in our mouths, like food and drinks. These stains respond really well to whitening because they're just on our tooth surface, or enamel. But intrinsic stains happen inside the tooth, below the enamel. Things like aging, certain medications, or trauma can cause these. Don't worry, both of these stains are very normal and natural things that happen to your teeth. We don't know about things that are supernatural with your teeth. If your mouth is haunted, that's your business. When it comes to removing stains, teeth whitening processes don't clean your teeth. They actually alter the biochemical pigment of your teeth. It's really important to only do this under the care of your dentist to make sure you keep your teeth strong. Today we're going to demonstrate this using an egg. Because, fun fact, the eggshell actually has a similar mineral makeup to the enamel on our teeth. Enamel is a super strong outer layer of our teeth, made out of calcium phosphate. This eggshell is made of calcium carbonate. So close! We went ahead and we pre-stained this egg in tea. In dentistry, we'd call the tea a staining agent. They're also known as chromogens, and their effect can be humongous. Chromogens are found in everything, from food and beverages to the air in your environment. When teeth encounter chromogens, they take on some of that particulate's color. This egg's definitely whiter than yours. There's a lot of stains on this one. So here's a fun fact about teeth whitening products. They actually use mixtures that include hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. These are mixed with other ingredients in ratios perfected by dentists and chemists. But for the sake of whitening this egg, we'll use just hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Remember, we're putting this on an egg, not on your teeth. Talk to your dentist before you try any whitening method, and never put any household cleaning products on your teeth. This can get messy. You might want gloves. Let's take our mixture and brush it onto this egg. As you can see, the stains seem to be disappearing. The baking soda interacts with the hydrogen peroxide molecules, breaking them down into water and oxygen radicals. Oxygen radicals are unstable molecules that react easily and strongly with other cells, and that's exactly what happens here. Oxygen radicals might sound like they're bad, but they actually attack the bonds in chromogens, making the stain molecules smaller or even completely colorless. Go radicals! Let's compare an unstained egg with the one we just brushed. These stains weren't covered up. The chromogens that cause these stains have been chemically altered and reduced. Okay, but Alisha, did you know that color theory plays a big role in how your teeth are perceived? Different tones and colors can actually change the shade your teeth appear to be without changing the color. The way that we see colors is based on light reflection. Cool tones like blue and berry shades cancel out yellow tones, while warm tones actually enhance yellow colors. Just a free physics lesson for ya. Whitening isn't necessary for a healthy smile. Your teeth are strong and unique, no matter their shade. Take care of your teeth, and your teeth will take care of you in return. See you next time. Bye.
If you're watching this, you must have really liked the video. Make sure you follow and subscribe, and check out these other videos that are even better. No, really. I've seen this one over 100 times.